All right, we're moving up the body for trunk flexion.
And what I want to do is I want to take a little trunk flexion and mix it into this, okay? So let's just isolate the trunk muscles. Keep your feet just pointing and your knees pointing forward. Just put your hands in the middle. It's like a gauge, like on a sundial, okay? And take and rotate your trunk muscles and breathe into them and feel what's making you move your trunk muscles. I'm gripping really hard. My right side is gripping and pulling hard, even up into my back. These abdominals wrap up into to your back. They tighten, and then move it to the left. Oh, there's some cracking and popping going on. Okay, counterflexion of the trunk. Okay, these are all important muscles. So the trunk has the ability to crunch forward. Do that with me. It has the ability to crunch to the side. Do that with me. And the ability to rotate. Okay, so if we blend all those together, crunching forward to the side, we get this counter rotation.
So visualize where you would use this movement as you exercise.
If you had your hands out, it'd be super extreme movements of skiing. Okay, so play with that. Develop the trunk muscles, let them turn, crunch, and move independently. Another block of skill that will blend together for movements on skis. All right, peace to you.